When I first came to town, I worked at a hospital system doing inpatient rehabilitation, and I found more and more driven to enter into the sports and pain fields, and did additional training through the early 90s in the field of regenerative medicine and also interventional pain medicine, and started to kind of blend those philosophies together. At that time, it was actually a disparate situation where the pain management doctors had one way of looking at how to block pain, and the regenerative doctors were considered a little bit strange because they had this idea that you could actually fix and repair musculoskeletal problems. So those two groups actually didn't really merge. I was trained within both groups, and by the time I got well trained, I was one of the few doctors in the country who actually recognized both ways of doing things, both the interventional pain model and the regenerative model. And so I've spent the better part of the last 27 years or so blending each of those concepts together, beginning at a time where neither of those groups was actually very well recognized in the medical field.